Create and sell unlimited high-quality generative AI contents, AI avatars, videos, images, visuals, marketing materials, and so much more. Finally, the latest and most demandable Google's AI is out here. World's first app powered by Google's latest AI tech, Gemini, turns your text or Siri-like voice commands into stunning AI contents, avatars, images, videos, models, chatbots, or anything you want. GenAI, brand new innovative Google generative AI-powered app that's seamlessly generating text, images, music, audio, and videos with revolutionary AI technology. Transform your creative process and unlock limitless possibilities in content generation with Google's next-generation AI model. Artificial intelligence meets creative genius, exploring the boundless potential of Google's generative AI-powered app for content creation across multiple formats. Here are the unique features of GenAI. Get access to new cutting-edge Google generative AI-powered app. Tap into the creative potential of cutting-edge AI models for endless content ideas. Craft lifelike AI avatar characters and videos in any niche. Create Ultra HD AI images with single keyword. Turn blurry images into ultra-realistic 4K images. Generate jaw-dropping AI models and influencers for your marketing campaigns. Embed unlimited ChatGPT-like chatbots to your websites or applications. Create WhatsApp chatbots for personalized WhatsApp messages. Access all the features of Google's all-AI like Gemini and Bard. Siri-like voice command technology. Rapidly generate high-quality content without extensive manual input. Save time and resources with AI-driven content creation. No need to pay a monthly fee like ChatGPT. Newbie-friendly and easy-to-use interface. Unlimited usage without any restriction. Retrieves all the data from the web easily using AI chatbot. Pay one time and use it forever. Commercial license included. Generate and sell as many assets as you like to clients. Nothing to download, install, or customize. Get started in seconds. And many more. Best part, it is just 3 clicks away to create and sell unlimited high-quality generative AI contents, AI avatars, videos, images, visuals, marketing materials, and so much more. Step 1. Login. Voice command your desired specification about anything that you want, such as AI contents, avatars, images, videos, or any kind of marketing materials. Step 2. Generate. GenAI generates high-in-demand generative AI contents in the blink of an eye. Step 3. Publish and profit. Start profiting by selling these high-in-demand AI generative contents, avatars, chatbots, images, and marketing materials to the built-in audience. And that's all needed to profit from GenAI. Just follow these 3 easy steps and start revolutionizing your sales and profit like never before. Dive into limitless creativity today. Experience the power of GenAI and elevate your content creation game to new heights. Click the below link to see GenAI in action now.